issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Franklin County, Union County, Indiana, Fayette County, Indiana, until 3 p.m. At 2:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Connorsville, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Connorsville, Liberty, West College Corner, Glenwood, Salem, Waterloo, Blooming Grove, Columbia, Bunker Hill, Brownsville, Laurel, Dunlapsville, Whitewater State Park, Goodwin's Corner, Mound State Recreation Area, Mettelfield, Cottage Grove, Springersville, Witt Station, and Alquina.